Oh, that ain't right.
Evil spirit, be still.
Jesus of Nazareth, what have you to do with us? Have you come to destroy us? I know who you are. The Holy...
Tell no one who I am.
Well, what can I say? Can I talk about my plans?
No.
Can I talk about the weather coming in?
No.
The 1968 Mets?
No.
Anything?
Evil spirit, be silent.
Now, why on earth should you be treated fairly?
Wait, how long have you spoken sign language?
You are the devil. You are literally the father of lies. I see no reason why you are deserving of equitable treatment from our rabbi.
Enough! Come out of him!
Oh, wow. Oofta. Anybody want to go get some shawarma? It's on me.
I know of an excellent place to acquire shawarma. Follow me.
Sounds great. All right.
Doing the will of my Father is the food that sustains me.
Do not be afraid. The devil has no power over those who put their faith in Christ. Jesus says, "Whoever would be my disciple must deny himself, take up his cross, and follow me." I'm Father Seitz, and this has been Minute Gospel.